God's message for you today. You are irreplaceable in someone's life. You hold a very special place in their life, and they feel they can never replace you. They appreciate your confidence and power to see the light even in darkness. You are glowing up by your inner beauty of love and honesty. You are so powerful and positive. You can turn any difficult situation of your life into a bright future with your ray of hope and positivity. God says, know your worth. You are capable to achieve your goals. You are a beautiful soul and you deserve only the best. It's a sign from God. The doors of opportunities are opening for you and you are going to win. Trust the process and timing. God is sending someone who will change your life. Miracles will happen by the end of this month. Something unexpected and wonderful is about to happen for you. Affirm, I have the power to create the life I desire. I believe I have a wonderful future with my loved ones. Thank you, God, universe, angels. I am grateful for everything.